The last thing officials want to experience is deja vu all over again. No nightmare pictures of drivers stalled in traffic, November's Carmageddon. No angry homeowners left in the dark and cold for days and days in Westchester, the city and the region like last year, because Con Ed and other utilities were unprepared to cope with downed trees and power lines.
If the utilities do not perform in a satisfactory way, they'll be penalized to the tune of millions of dollars.
Governor Cuomo issuing a be prepared warning as both state and city officials admit that widespread power outages are one of their top concerns. Mr. Mayor, given the fact that you're predicting down trees and down power lines, has there been any communication with Con Edison about getting extra crews here just in case the need to restore power?
Yeah, there certainly is communication. That's the whole concept of why we have emergency management. I want to caution that the notion of extra crews and all is not a limitless idea. But in a situation where you have a lot of trees go down and a lot of wires go down, it still takes a lot of time to get them back up.
Con Ed admits that last winter was not its finest hour, but says it's geared up for the coming onslaught.
We've been preparing, all week. We've got at least 250 extra power line workers lined up, ready to go. We've also been doing some things since last March when we had those horrible storms in Westchester, removing dead or dying trees from people's private property, about $100 million in storm improvements.
But with a mix of snow, ice, sleet, and freezing temperatures in the forecast, Mike Clendenin says buckle your seatbelts.
We expect outages are going to happen. They could be pretty high, and we just expect that we'll be able to respond very, very quickly.
The storm is so worrisome, Mayor de Blasio canceled the trip to Maine.
I've always said if there's something here that demands my attention, I change my plans accordingly.
Well, the city says it will have 1,600 plows and 700 salt spreaders on the road. The state will also deploy 1,600 large plow trucks, including 100 reserve trucks. The bulk will be sent to Long Island and the Mid-Hudson Valley.